Hello. In this problem, we are asked to find the antiderivative of the function sine of x to the power 6 times cosine of x to the power 7. Let us compute the integral of sine of x to the power 6 times cosine of x to the power 7. This function is a product of powers of sine and cosine functions. The power of the sine function is 6, which is even. And the power of the cosine function is 7, which is odd. Since the power of the cosine function is 7, which is odd, we can rewrite cosine to the power 7 of x as the product of cosine to power 6 of x and cosine of x. Note that the square of the cosine function is equal to 1 minus the square of the sine function. So the quantity cosine of x to the power 6 can be expressed solely in terms of sine of x. So we have cosine of x to the power 6 times sine of x is equal to the expression 1 minus sine squared of x to the power 6 times sine of x. Now let us set u equal to sine of x and du equal to cosine of x dx. The integral of sine of x to the power 6 times cosine of x to the power 7 dx is equal to the integral of sine of x to the power 6 times the quantity 1 minus sine squared of x to the power 3 times sine of x dx. When we substitute sine of x by u and cosine of x dx by negative du, we obtain the original integral is now equal to the integral of u to the power 6 times the quantity 1 minus u squared to the power 3 du. When we expand the expression, we obtain the integral of minus u to the power 12 plus 3u to the power 10 minus 3u to the power 8 plus u to the power 6 du is equal to minus u to the power 13 over 13, plus 3u to the power 11 over 11, plus, minus 3u to the power 9 over 9, plus u to the power 7 over 7 plus c. Replacing u by sine of x gives. Consequently, the integral of u to the power 6 times the quantity 1 minus u squared to the power 3 du is equal to, minus sine of x to the power 13 over 13, plus 3 sine of x to the power 11 over 11, plus, minus 3 sine of x to the power 9 over 9, plus sine of x to the power 7 over 7 plus c. Therefore the integral of sine of x to the power 6 times cosine of x to the power 7 dx is equal to, minus sine of x to the power 13 over 13, plus 3 sine of x to the power 11 over 11, plus, minus 3 sine of x to the power 9 over 9, plus sine of x to the power 7 over 7 plus c.